As we were together yesterday, it was a pleasure to see all of you and to see you again now. So therefore, Dr. Amason Sibanda from the UN DESA, Mr. Wang Ligui, Counselor of Mission of the People's Republic of China at AU level, Dr. Lin Dongme, Deputy Director General of the National Juncao Research Center and the International Cooperation Exchange Department, Mr. Wang Jianxin, Economics and Commercial of the Chinese Embassy in Rwanda, Mrs. Hong Chen, UN DESA Officer, all the foreigner friends from different countries, from Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Eritrea, Nigeria, DRC, our dear neighbor, and Rwanda, China, of course, and those officials from UN. Once again, good morning, and feel happy in this beautiful Rwanda. So, for your information, I have been interacting with Chinese so long time ago. Myself, I stayed in China for 1 year as a foreign expert working for the Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences based in Beijing, Haidian district. So I know a lot of China, I know a lot of Chinese. In a few words, Zhongguo Hinha, that means Chinese is good. And I know that Zhongguo Ren Hinha, Chinese are also good. And now, all of you, including Rwanda, we are all good. So thank you very much. So I want also to reiterate and say that the government of Rwanda, particularly the Ministry of Agriculture and the Rwanda Agriculture and Animal Resource Development Board, we are very happy to have hosted this very important and high-level workshop on Juncao technology. We value very much the importance, particularly of mushrooms. We know that this Juncao technology will help us to valorize some wastes like crop residues, and that will not end from there. We know that after using the residues for mushroom production, we can also feed the waste from the mushroom production to livestock, and we can also use such waste from mushroom production to restore our soil as organic matter. So then this Juncao technology is very important for us, and we shall give whatever attention we can so that it can flourish and expand and increase from Rwanda and also grow in other countries. So I have also some facts about mushroom. Some people are confused about mushroom. Some they say are mushroom vegetables or mushroom are proteins. Simply, we know that mushrooms, they are not plants. They are not also animal food, but they are fungus. They are fungus that do not contain cholesterol or those animal source substance that we try to avoid. Mushrooms, they have agosterol, which is similar to cholesterol, but which is free from fat, and they are not cholesterol at all. So we also know that mushrooms, they are rich in as a low-calorie source of fiber. They have also very safe proteins. They have antioxidants, therefore they can help us prevent some diseases such as heart diseases, cancer, and diabetes, and this is where the most world attention is focusing. So then some people, they have also some bias that some mushrooms are poisonous. Yes, but we have to demystify that. The majority of mushrooms are good for our body, but of course we have to tell people that some mushrooms like Amanita phthalates, they have some amatoxins, and we have to educate our population to have a difference between the good and the bad one, and the bad one is not very common. And we need also to ensure our communities back home that mushrooms, it is not a junk food. It is not a junk food, it is a good thing. It is a superfood. It is a food of a superfood because it is high in nutrient, and it is good for our body. So then our homework now from this workshop, we should be telling our people back home in Rwanda and elsewhere that mushroom should be produced at large scale for several reasons. One, for nutrition reason, another one for commercial purpose. As we have been discussing yesterday, 1 kilogram of mushrooms is 1,500 in Rwanda or 2,500 in Rwanda. So mushroom is another venue to make money for our farmers. So we have to sensitize people. Therefore, we need to increase the production of mushroom in one way or another, and try to mobilize people around the production of mushroom. And simply, there is also a quote saying that a meal without mushrooms is like a day without rain, and we value rain very much, particularly in these tropical countries. So let us produce mushroom, let us eat mushroom, let us do marketing for mushrooms. So once again, I would like to thank the organizers of the meeting, and I want to declare this workshop officially closed. Thank you very much, and I feel like at home. Be well.